Are you struggling to become a video content creator? This is for you. Video strategy for beginners. I wish I could have started this way. This is one of the easiest methods on how you can become or finesse your way to become a video content creator by having a whiteboard with words on keywords so that you can emphasize and elaborate your message across to your viewers that you are trying to attract, knowing and understanding the demographics and psychographics of your potential market, whereby you are now documenting relevant content to solve a particular problem in that niche market. Right, so you have keywords, start small, think big. Now you can just emphasize instead of you thinking, you know what are you going to teach about? I remember I would be like, what am I going to say in my videos? How do I construct my body, my introduction, my question, answer, solution? How do you add a CTA? Where do you add a CTA in this sentence or this video? Right? You will get confused, and this way, this might help you through and through with building that confidence so that when there's no whiteboard, you will now be confident, courageous in your presentation, talking to people. You will come up with ideas on the spot, in the moment, when you are talking and presenting your truth, your solution to your market's demographics or to your market's pain point. So to start off, this is like a beginner's guide on how you can document content. You can just have keywords and emphasize and elaborate. So try this and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. So thank you and you're welcome.